Right, that's the gearbox, pretty much all unbolted. Now we'll get the subframe off. I've got to take that mount completely off. I need to drain the oil. Drain the zero. What am I talking about? I'll still take it off anyway. I'm digging my chest and lifting it out. 15s, 15s, and 15s. Oh, you like message? Go there, you can go there. Right, 15s. Anyway. Is that the 18 socket next to you? Did you? Is that
19,
not?
I think. Yeah, 19.
Oh, you didn't bring the 18 over?
But there wasn't 18 in there.
Oh, there should be one. I'll put it on the bottom. Huh? Should, bro. I think it's done. Then, right. Steering rack bolts. Tight steering rack. On this one, that arch has got to come out.
This arch?
Yeah. The power steering's behind it. Bolted to the subframe. Stupid. Stupid. 10's right. That's that. We get 20. You're using the 21 spanner, aren't you?
No.
I can have that. Sweet. You go there, go over there. Always unbolt the anti-roll bar from the subframe. I'm messing around with link arms and all that crap.